I don't think people understand how easy it is to make perfect honey cornbread. Let's change that today. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab an 8-inch square baking dish or a cast iron skillet and give it a good grease. Now, in a large mixing bowl, let's combine our dry ingredients. 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it up until it's well blended. Next, in another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of honey until smooth. Now, pour those wet ingredients right into the dry mix. Stir gently until just combined. If you're feeling adventurous, fold in 1 cup of corn kernels for extra texture. Pour the batter into your prepared dish or skillet. Pop it into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve your honey cornbread warm, maybe with a drizzle of extra honey or a pat of butter. Enjoy this sweet, fluffy delight as a side dish or a snack. Perfect honey cornbread in just 30 minutes. You've got this.